The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba with the ticker symbol BABA. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Before I begin the analysis, I do have a course sale running right now until next Tuesday, April 11th. This is a Easter course sale where you can get 50% off my technical analysis course. And another thing is that for the membership, I'm looking to add in a monthly training program or a chart lesson, more advanced than my course. I don't want to put a lot of advanced things in my course just because it would be confusing. But I could do it for my members, so if you guys are interested in that, just leave a comment down below, and then I could do a monthly advanced chart lesson or a technical analysis lesson based on fundamental concepts that are not really covered anywhere else most of the time. It would be very hard to find that information. So let's take a look at the daily chart for BABA. So it looks like last week Friday when I did my analysis, prices closed right around the 102.12 level, and since then prices dropped, couldn't go any lower, and prices reversed up. So is this a pattern to go higher, or we're gonna still see lower prices? Well, let's go over the overall pattern first, because that's gonna have more weight to the stock chart than anything else. So overall pattern is this ranging pattern. You can see that there is resistance at the 120 level and support. Since we bounced here, I'll probably keep the support here at this $80 level. So let's go and make this yellow. So this range is significant to the price. You can see that prices broke out on the bottom and failed. Why didn't we just continue lower from here? Because the range is acting as a magnet, suck prices back in. Why did the bulls not break through the 120 level back on January 24th? Because the range is taking precedence. Why did the sellers not break down right here on March 17th at the $80 level? Because the range is significant to the price. So this is significant to the price, and we're just going from the highs to lows, lows to the highs. So based off the range having significance, since we hit the highs, we went to the lows. Since we hit the lows, prices should be attempting to reach the highs. Again, the key word is attempt. It's not guaranteed, it's an attempt. So how is it going to do that? Well, prices had a large impulse up, so we can do that with the leg right here. And then right now it's in the correction phase. So normally I would expect two legs back. So right now prices dipped down once, prices went up. I'll be expecting another dip down or a correction back to this EMA, maybe to find like a little double bottom right here. And then prices to rebound off of this level. And you can see it coincides perfectly with the highs of the range. Two legs up would take us right to the highs of the range. I mean, that's like textbook, but I mean, it might not occur. So that's what I would be expecting to occur in the market. I wouldn't be expecting prices to go back down to the lows, since we just hit the lows of it already, and we should be going up to the highs. And this is after a large impulse higher. Maybe if we had a smaller one, I would be expecting maybe a double test of this $80 level. But since it was such a large impulse higher, and it looks like we're still coming off of this momentum right here, it looks like prices should be moving higher. So we can go and draw this channel too. So this was the previous uptrend channel. It looks like there was an overshoot of it. You can see how prices were moving at this angle, and then all of a sudden it just went at a super aggressive like 90-degree angle, or obviously just straight up. And then it kind of sold off. So I think the market is still using the momentum off of this move right here, right over here. So that's why I'm looking for higher price. I'm looking for this momentum to continue. I'm looking for this range pattern to hold and send prices to the upside. I'm looking for another impulse higher after this two-wave down pattern. So we'll see if that occurs. Sometimes we just shoot right through this leg and nothing sets up for this long, and then maybe we go back down to the lows. Sometimes maybe we just shoot up through here right now and we don't get this second leg back. So sometimes the market does do that. But this is normally what I would be expecting to occur. I'm not expecting another leg down like this. So I mean, you could do a measure move for this right here. This was one leg down, and are we gonna make a second leg down? Well, that's very unlikely, because this correction it's not over yet in my view. We just had one move up, and it looks like the bulls are still trying to, you know, figure out if they want to push the market higher. We just came off the lows of the range, so why would I be expecting prices to make another leg down through the lows of the range? So that's why I'm not expecting that to occur. This is probably not going to be valid. We'll see if it occurs. I mean, right now I'm not even paying attention to that, so I don't think this is correct. I think we're going to probably see another small leg higher after a two-legged pullback to the 120 level, and maybe that time we do break it to reach the 140 level and reach this measurement target. We'll have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see what it does first at this 120 level. So I think that can be obtained in the coming weeks and months. So it looks like prices do want to go higher. Again, not guaranteed. That's why I give you guys an update every week to see what has changed. But this is probably most likely to occur. So that's everything I have on the daily chart. Now let's take a look at the weekly now. Again, all charts are the same. I can see the daily price action in the weekly chart, and I can see the weekly price action in the daily chart. Again, this is just, you can see how this impulse higher was the same thing on the daily chart right here. It's just more summarized view, but you can still see that price action. So it's the same chart, but what the weekly chart and longer time frames are good for is to see the entire structure. Like on the daily chart, I would need to zoom out so far where the candles look very small, but on the weekly chart I don't have to zoom out so far, and we can see the entire price action since its IPO date here in 2014. So let's go ahead and mark the lows of BABA, which is right around the $60 level. So this was the low in 2015 and 2016, and prices rallied higher to the 315 level, sold off, came back down to this low at the $60 level. So if this was the low point in the past, it could be the low point in the future, which is currently right now. And based off of that, then this could be the high point again, or the highs for BABA, meaning like it could be the top at the 311 level. We'll have to wait and see. But as right now, we hit the bottom after completing this downtrend pattern. And how do I know it's complete? Because prices broke outside of this channel. This was the downtrend channel. Normally we get two legs down to a new low. So this is all just one big leg with two smaller legs inside of it. You can see this is one small leg right here, and then another small leg. But this is just one large leg on a bigger picture. On a monthly chart, you're gonna not see that two small legs. You just see one move down. Anyway, prices shot right through the EMA. So that tells me something is different. Anytime in the past in this entire downtrend did the price ever shoot through the EMA this much? No. So there's something significant going on with the bulls right now. It looks like the market is changing its state. So before it was a downtrending pattern, now it's a ranging pattern. So market shot right through the EMA, and then the bears were trying to get another leg down off the highs of the range. Prices came to the lows of the range, bounced right up, and now we're in the middle. So this is where it can get kind of choppy. But I think prices look to be trending higher. This week was a nice reversal bar. Prices traded lower and reversed up towards high and closed on its high point. So looks pretty good. But again, that's just one candle. But either way, it looks pretty bullish. I think the sellers tried 2 times to drop down the price. This was the first time. This was the second time. So since the sellers tried 2 times, the bulls only tried once. This was the bulls' first attempt. And now, right now, they are in their second attempt. So the bears look to be already have taken the turn. Now the bulls have one more turn left, and I think they're gonna probably rally the price higher. So that's all I have for BABA this week, Friday, and I'll see you guys next week, Friday. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel. Since you might be surprised what you can learn, leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.